Hey everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're taking a classic and giving it a delicious, flavorful twist. Forget your usual grilled chicken salad, we're making a kofta chicken salad. It's packed with warm spices, fresh herbs, and a zesty lemon dressing. Let's get started. The star of our show is the chicken kofta. We're using ground chicken because it's lean and soaks up all the beautiful spices. In this bowl, I have 1 pound of ground chicken. Now for the flavor. I'm adding a tablespoon of finely minced red onion, a teaspoon of grated garlic, and a teaspoon of grated ginger. These aromatics are key to a good kofta. Next, our spices. This is where the magic happens. We're using a teaspoon of ground cumin, a half teaspoon of ground coriander, a half teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little kick, and of course a good pinch of salt and a grind of black pepper. Now the fresh herbs. I'm adding a tablespoon of finely chopped fresh mint and a tablespoon of finely chopped fresh cilantro. They'll give our kofta a bright, fresh flavor. Once it's all mixed, we're going to form our kofta. You can make them into small patties or the traditional torpedo shape. I'm going with a small patty so it's easy to toss into our salad. Just take about a tablespoon of the mixture and form it into a small disc. I've got my pan on medium-high heat with a little olive oil. We're going to cook these for about 2-3 minutes per side until they're golden brown and cooked all the way through. While those are cooking, let's talk about our salad base. For our salad, we're using a mix of crisp romaine lettuce and some baby spinach. I've already washed and chopped them. Now for the toppings. We're adding some color and texture. I'm using thinly sliced red onion for a sharp bite, some chopped cucumber for a refreshing crunch, and a handful of cherry tomatoes halved. And for a little extra something, I have some crumbled feta cheese and a sprinkle of toasted pine nuts. These will add a creamy, salty, and nutty element to the salad. What's a salad without a great dressing? We're making a simple but incredibly flavorful lemon tahini dressing. It's creamy, tangy, and perfect for this salad. In this bowl, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, and a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. To thin it out, I'm adding a tablespoon or 2 of warm water. Next, a grated clove of garlic, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. Whisk it until it's smooth and has a pourable consistency. If it's too thick, just add a little more warm water. Look at that, creamy and delicious. Our kofta patties are done. They're golden and smell incredible. I'm going to let them cool slightly before adding them to the salad. Now for the final assembly. Let's start by drizzling our amazing lemon tahini dressing over the salad base. Toss it lightly to coat everything. And finally, our kofta chicken patties. We'll arrange them right on top. This is a salad that's a meal in itself, hearty, healthy, and full of flavor. For a final touch, I'll garnish with a little extra fresh mint and a sprinkle of paprika. And there you have it, a stunning and delicious kofta chicken salad. It's a perfect meal for a warm day, a great lunch to pack, or a fantastic dinner. The warmth of the spices, the freshness of the herbs, the crunch of the vegetables, and that creamy dressing. It all comes together beautifully. Thank you so much for joining me today. The full recipe is available on our website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time. Like and subscribe.